Okay, I'm going to go through the features of adding a discussion. Okay, so when you add a discussion, today we can just say I use one every day for attendance check-in, and I usually use a simple question. Who would win? Wonder Woman or Superman? Okay, so a simple question, doesn't matter. I set a due date. I set it for the end of the day and not 11:59, the end of the school day. I don't enable grading. However, if you choose to enable grading, I will show you a tip for grading this discussions, as it's a little tedious step by step, but I'm not going to enable grading here. I just want to talk about these individual options. So if I leave this unpublished, students can't see it yet. So that helps if I want to get ahead and get the week prepared. Then all I have to do in the morning is go in and publish it. So I'll leave it unpublished for now so you can see. Locking it, if you lock it, that means students can no longer respond. Okay. Individually assign, I can start typing in names here and individually assign it to specific students. I usually check this. By default, it's set that they can see responses. I like to click this icon right here, the person, and require members to post before revealing other responses. Okay. This is to create a shared discussion if there were other courses that I wanted to share this discussion. So students in different courses can discuss the same topic in the same discussion together. I could do that. Here I could copy two specific courses at the same time. The nice thing about this is I can choose the folder, which for me, I use this, and I can set the due date at the same time. Okay, so this makes copying two courses easier. Right, so these are all the features available to you when you create a discussion. Then you simply click create. I'm not going to copy this one. I just want to make it, I'll create it. Notice it's a grayed out, which means it's unpublished. So the day when I'm ready to publish this assignment, all I can do is go in and click this and it will publish it. Okay. The other option is from this wheel icon, I simply click publish right here. And that allows me, without going in, clicking edit, extra clicks, I can publish it straight from in here. Also, if you notice, I forgot to put it in the asynchronous check-in folder. I can simply move it straight into that asynchronous check-in folder without any difficulty. And those are the basics of a discussion.